Hey guys, we is out here and ooh, look at these nice train tracks. Oh shit. Ah, damn. They want to ride the train tracks. It's very bumpy. And I don't know if I might fuck up my tires with this, but this is an old train track. That's on the trail. They got shut down and everything. Y'all see it's a lot of shit on this thing, including rocks. Might be some glass. I don't know what possessed me to get on this. So we're gonna go ahead and get off this. I don't know what possessed me. Oh shit. Ugh.